We're at Wilson Hall here on LSU's main campus, and today we're looking at some gorgeous olive trees that are here and are full of fruit. Olive trees are said to live about 300 to 600 years old, and they've been in recorded history since 2500 BC in Crete. There are actually trees that are still alive that are said to be over 2,000 years old at the Garden of Gethsemane at the hill of the Mount of Olives. In fact, Gethsemane means olive press. Olives are an important crop globally. Just think of all the olive oil we use when we're cooking and olives that we use that we eat. But it's also got interesting landscape features. This tree can grow about 20 to 25 feet and it spreads about 20 to 25 feet. It grows obviously in more arid climates, but can grow well in protected areas in Louisiana. In fact, there is a large crop production in California and it's moved south, although in Louisiana we don't have large commercial production going on. But these can be grown here. They do need some chilling hours. In order for you to get fruit, you need about 80 hours of 30 to 42 degrees Fahrenheit in order to get a great fruit set. But this plant can still be used as a screen, as a shade tree in your yard. It is evergreen, and so it will keep its leaves year-round. So it's a great addition to any landscape. For Get It Growing, this is Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.